In this lesson, we will learn the first 5 Russian letters. Those are not letters in the alphabetic order. This is the first group of letters, which is the easiest for you to learn. We call them old friends because they sound and look like the English one. And you probably already recognize these 5 words. Those words are mama, atom, kot, motto, and tok. The first 4 you're even able to understand. Mama is mother, atom is atom, kot is cat, motto is motto, like a motto of the company motto, of the personal motto. Well, let's see the difference between Russian A and English A. Russian A sounds more or less like A in the word father. Try to avoid the flat sound of A like in words cat or flat. So it's always A. The next letter is K. It sounds like K in kitchen or like C in cat. It is K. The next one is M. Sounds more or less like English, like M in word man. O is a bit tricky. Sometimes it sounds like O, sometimes as A. However, as the rule of thumb, use usually O. As long as you don't have the feeling of the language, as you don't know the rules, use O, and everybody will understand you. The last letter is T. It sounds like T in like English T in the word tap or top. Well, again, A, K, M, O, and T. And those are also the names of the letters and the sounds of the letters. Russian language is phonetic, and now you can read those words in Russian. Mama, M-A, mama, atom, A-T-O-M, atom, K-O-T, kot, M-O-T-T-O, motto, and T-O-K, tok. Now let's learn how to write those letters. In Russian language there are 2 sets of letters, the typed version of the letter and the cursive version of the letter. And cursive version of the letter is important for you simply for writing. Some people do not learn how to write, and it is a big mistake. It is a big mistake of teachers, because writing makes you learn faster. To learn efficient, you need to be able to write, and to be able to write, you need to be able to write efficiently. And some of Russian typed letters are pretty difficult to write, so sometimes you even need to draw them. And for these purposes, to enhance the writing performance, the cursive language was developed. And let's start with A. A, the capital A looks like this, and the lowercase like this. K, capital K, and the lowercase k. M, and the lowercase m. Or, pretty easy. And the most difficult out of these 5 letters is T. You probably recognize that the lowercase t looks like English M. And this is the big thing for you to realize and to recognize and to memorize. Start Russian M always from bottom. And if you write M English way, it is Russian T. You already probably recognize that Russian letters have got tails. So A here, K. These tails are meant to connect letters together. So if we would connect 2 A's, it would look like this. 3 A's. A. Kas. Os. And T. Two T's. It looks a bit tricky, and it is. Some children learn it in the first 2 grades. in a Russian school, but it won't make you any big problems. Let's try to write these 5 words. The first one, mama, mother. Ma. You also can write it in an English way, basically English way, and namely that you can separate the letters. M, A, M, A. Nobody will tell you anything if you write letters separated without connecting them. Still, cursive is much more efficient, also in this case, and many Russians write like this. Next word would be atom. 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 This wing was supposed to be to connect 2 letters together, but it connects from up, and M starts from the lower part. So it's absolutely fine to leave the spaces. The next word is cot, cat. Cot. This is a technical issue, it's supposed to be connected. And cot in lower cases, in lowercase letters. Next one is motto. Motto. Again in the small, in the lowercase. Motto. And the last word is tok. Tok is electricity. Tok. Tok. Now you know how to write 5 letters, you know the names of the 5 letters. Don't worry that you could memorize everything, because we will repeat this in the phonetic section and in the writing section, and in the next lessons where we will learn the rest of the letters, we will learn also how to read and write and how to connect letters.